Have you ever wondered how to spot undervalued land? It's a question that stumps even the most seasoned real estate investors. But fear not, it's not as complex as it seems. Today, we'll delve into the world of real estate, unearthing practical tips to help you identify those hidden gems in the land market. First, location, location, location. Yes, it's a cliché, but it's a cliché for a reason. Location impacts the value of land more than anything else. A piece of land in the heart of the city and a similar plot in the outskirts will have drastically different values. However, don't just look at the present. Consider the future potential of the location. A seemingly desolate area today might be the hub of development tomorrow. Second, consider the zoning laws. Zoning dictates what can and cannot be built on a piece of land. A plot zoned for commercial use is likely to be more valuable than one zoned for residential use. But remember, zoning laws can change. Keep an eye on city planning and any potential changes to zoning laws. Third, size does matter. A larger piece of land is usually more valuable, but not always. It's the combination of size, location, and zoning that determines the real value. Fourth, don't overlook the topography of the land. Flat land is typically more valuable because it's easier to build on, but a hilly plot with a stunning view could also fetch a premium. Fifth, check the availability of utilities. Land with no access to water, electricity, or sewage systems will cost more to develop, decreasing its value. Sixth, consider the market conditions. Land values fluctuate with the real estate market. If the market is down, it might be the perfect time to scoop up some undervalued land. Finally, always do your due diligence. Research the land's history, check for any liens or encumbrances, and always get a professional land survey done. So, to recap, when looking for undervalued land, consider the location and its future potential, the zoning laws, the size of the plot, the land's topography, the availability of utilities, the current market conditions, and always conduct thorough research. Remember, spotting undervalued land is more of an art than a science. It takes time, patience, and a keen eye for detail. So, don't rush. Take your time, do your research, and you might just find that diamond in the rough. Till next time, keep digging into the world of real estate. And who knows, you might unearth a fortune.